Walk around on my 19 Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi, non-e-torque. I had it roughly 10 months. It was stock when I got it. I already put 3.5 inch ready lift on it, 20 by 10 Hostile Alpha wheels, negative 19 offset, 35 1250, 20 inch tires, Falcon Wild Peaks. It's the newest design. Shorty headers on it, true dual exhaust. I got another little short video of it on the channel. Got a rough country bed tarp on it. Future plans, probably do either a 392 swap with a small usable cam, and if I could ever luck into a really good deal on, say, a Pro Charger or something, I might put it on there on low boost. But it is daily driver, don't plan on going crazy. So, like I did on my car that I had. But this real short walk around video of this truck. That's all for this. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.